Now students, see page number 17. I am reading this paragraph, this one last. Let us see what happened in Iraq. Now in this paragraph, we will read what happened in Iraq. Iraq is a country in Western Asia. It became independent from British rule in 1932. Iraq became independent in 1932. Now see this paragraph, this one. It became independent from British rule in 1932. 3 decades later, there were a series of coups by military officers. A series of coups means overthrown. 3 decades after so many years continuously. What happened there? Coups were coups by military officers. Means overthrown, whatever the government, present government, which was overthrown by the military power. So such type of the series which were continued after the independence of Iraq since 1968. It was ruled by Arab Socialist Baath Party. Underline, Arab Socialist Baath Party. Here Baath means the Arabic word. Baath means renaissance. Renaissance means rebirth. So it was ruled, means Iraq was ruled by Arab Socialist Baath Party since 1968. Saddam Hussein, underline this name, Saddam Hussein. Now I am reading this paragraph, so listen carefully. Saddam Hussein, a leading Baath Party leader. So he was the leader of the Baath Party. Played a key role in the 1968 coup. Means he played very important role for overthrowing the whatever the government, previous governments, and for the establishment of the military power. So Saddam Hussein played very important role since 1968. That brought the party to power. Now he brought, because of the Saddam Hussein. So Baath Party came into power in Iraq. This government, means Saddam Hussein's government, abolished traditional Islamic law. Abolished means ended, and gave women the right to vote and several freedoms not granted in other West Asian countries. Now this government ended the traditional Islamic law and gave women the right to vote and several freedoms which were not granted in other Western Asian countries. After becoming the president of Iraq, now just listen carefully. When Saddam Hussein, he became the president of Iraq in 1979, underline this year also, Saddam Hussein ran a dictatorial government. Now he became the dictator in 1979 when he became the president of Iraq, and suppressed any dissent means disagree, those who opposed to Saddam Hussein. Now arresting as well as the suppressing, he started like these activities, or opposition to his rule, those who opposed to his rule and to him also. He was known to have got a number of political opponents killed. Now he killed so many his opponents, political opponents, and persons of ethnic minorities massacred. Massacred means killed. Thousands of people were killed. So many peoples were killed. Those who were the minorities in that countries. Like this, Saddam Hussein ran dictatorial government in Iraq. Now students, remaining paragraph, this one we will read in next clip.